See them come?
60 of them.
That's what the channel's about. He's rocking the channel right now. Woo! Showing support to the channel. Okay, see? We come to the supply house, we get support. You get support from the supply houses. He mad.
Outside.
That's the original, brother.
Indoor?
Indoor, not law, brother.
Not easy. So this can strap on the pipe or something? Why that's just what else, Paulie? You don't want one. That looks like some wireless sensor bullshit. We don't need this one.
Some bomber clock
We
bullshit.
need one where goes.
We need one that goes what?
And boiler plugs, 2.5, please. Because this is for my channel. Come on, baby. May I have? See, it would be you to help me. Let me get like 10 of them.
You want 10 of those?
Yes, I would like 10 of them.
Gotcha.
I appreciate you. You're a hardworking man.
So you gotta wear the right gear.
You definitely wearing the right gear. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hard-working man right here. That the regulator, the Siemens regulator, the SK 18 or 13, something like that.
SKP 13 is a small one.
There's two, one with the multiple terminals.
One with the proof of closure,
Yeah.
one without.
Let me get the one with the proof of closure.
Small one with the proof of closure.
Yeah. Man, I know that guy know what he's talking about, man.
I forgot how to remind the phone.
So it's good, son. Subscribe to, the Boiler Heroes.
It's gonna be in there.
Look, Jimmy. He's trying to scam you, Jimmy. What you say? So, what what you said, bro? All right, what's going on with the Uber?
What was that? What Kruger?
2140 Kruger. What's going on with that Uber?
Nah, I was talking about the Kruger.
Oh, I thought you said something about 200.
Nah.
All right. Hopefully this recording holds on till I leave.
When that light go
I pressed that button right quick. Press that button right quick. This was a wonderful experience, young men. To
in the back? Put one in the back.
Can I get my receipt?